today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sections in Weebly quickly and cleanly. If your page feels cluttered or you just want to refresh your layout, removing a section is one of the fastest ways to tidy things up. Let's get started. First, log into your Weebly account. Once you're in, head straight to your website dashboard. Click Website, then choose Edit Site. This will open the Weebly editor where all your page elements live. Now navigate to the page you want to clean up. Hover your mouse over the section you want to remove. When you're hovering on the correct section, you will see a small More Options button appear. Right next to it, you will find the Delete option. Delete and Weebly will show a confirmation pop-up just to make sure you really want to remove the section. If you're sure, hit delete again to finalize it. The section instantly disappears, giving your page a cleaner and more professional look. If you ever remove something by mistake, Weebly's undo button can help you reverse it, so you're always safe. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a section on your Weebly site in just a few seconds. Keep your pages clean, simple, and easy for visitors to navigate.